What is up, guys? Welcome to another video on my channel. I know it's been long since I have posted a video, so yeah, we'll be doing a bike check on my bike, my wheelie bike. So as you can see, I put on gears, 6 speed, put on gears, put on plate, and so well, the plate was on so yeah. So guys, you think I should repaint this bike one more time, or you think I should put on shocks at front here? If you think that, drop a comment. Yeah, don't know. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get into the video here. So yeah, guys, first I will be reviewing, right? See, this is a 6-speed gear sprocket. So this, you could actually buy this at Jude Bentley bike shop. Yeah. And then we have the Derilla. I don't really know what's the name of this Derilla, but everything I have on my bike, I buy them from Jude Bentley bike shop. So yeah. Then we have the rims. Yeah, it's a little dirty, so I have to wash my bike. So we have these blue rims, nickel spokes, and so on. So yeah, these is the best rim I recommend, cause since I started wheeling, these is the rims I started saying. I feel this is better than all those other rims when you want to swerve and swerve and all those different things. So yeah. Then we have the Mafia Pedals. Pretty old. Change that. So yeah, we have the Mafia Pedals. As I said again, all these bike parts is from Jude Bentley bike shop. Then we have the handle. This black handle, a wheelie handle, popping handle. These come on the SC bikes. So yeah. Then we have these grips, these Hot Wheel grips, very grip. You have to change them though. Yeah. So these is I really recommend these for beginners when learn to wheelie and them things. So yeah. Then we have the quick release. Just open this, put on the seat, put it down. So yeah, quick release. Then we have the stem. The stem. As I said again. So you don't know. Jude Bentley bike shop, go. I will put the thing right here. Jude Bentley bike shop.com. So yeah. Let's go there if you want to buy your parts. Pretty sure they sell it online, yeah. So yeah. Then have the tires. These are Hasselbach, very grippy. So yeah. Yes, I recommend these tires for swerve. When you want to swerve, keep on them. Yeah, really nice tires. Yeah, think that no. Then we have the V-brakes. I will be replacing this. So yeah. Again, drop a comment if you think I should repaint this bike and put shocks on it and change. Well, when you see I swear the bike, you see every difference. You see, bring it out more better. As I said, long time I didn't bring out the videos here. Then we have these cranks, regular cranks, not too fancy them. Then these gear chain. So that we repaint this bike, everything on this bike will be brand new again. Replace them. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. As I said, drop a comment if you think I should repaint this bike again. So yeah, repaint this bike. Then I think I will be going for the SC disc brakes bike. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Peace.